So today I'm gonna be working on the sway bar, swapping it out for this beautiful sway bar. And this is obviously the first time I've opened it up, so it's not really as much as I thought it was gonna be, to be honest with you. Let me put this phone down and open this up right quick. All right, so got it open. I will say the packaging is beautiful. They did a pretty good job of it. Oh yeah. Boom. Boom. I'm looking for the aluminum pieces. Oh, this has got to be them. Hold on. So, at first glance, again, there's no rhyme or reason why I went with the aluminum over the non-aluminum version, other than it looks good. Like, it looks amazing, and based on it being aluminum, it ain't gonna rust. And it's beautiful, and it's got some, not a lot of weight, but it's definitely beautiful. Boom. It's beautiful. Again, this is gonna literally replace the stock sway bar with all those little pieces, so it shouldn't be too hard to get it all in place. But yeah, it's beautiful, worth every penny. I don't know, I might regret it later paying what I paid for this, but they gave military discount, so I was very happy with that. It was about $100 off with a military discount. So yeah, about to get it started. All right, so it's down, but thing takeaway: these 15 millimeters. Over here, that was an 18. Now I can't emphasize enough how useful this is. But you get it right in place and it comes right out. But you have to probably by hand unless you want to take all that off. So crank it by hand, size 18, and then use this to finish the job to get the bolt out. And then what holds it over here is this washer, which will be recycled. Or washer, y'all know what I mean. It'll be recycled, so leave that right there. And then over here, the bolt just comes right out. And there you have it. The OEM sway bar is out. Now I gotta piece this one together. And yeah, do that in a second. All right, so the first step was to get these black pieces into place. Right there, boom. And what I used was, oddly enough, not a zone shock block, this hammer, and a rubber stopper, so it kind of fit right in place. Well, hold on. Boom, boom. What the? Technical difficulties. There we go. It fit right in place. Put the rubber right on top, and boom, just like that. And got it in. So that's first step. All right, so up next was, hold on, let me disconnect this. So up next, you're gonna use the 15 millimeter socket. I have it right here on my, anyways, got on my bad boy right here. You're gonna install the two brackets onto the Jeep. If you have Loctite, use it. Put it on there, make it nice and tight. It says 40 pounds of torque, but you know I do some uggas, and it's about right. Anyways, ensure that the black piece, if yours came with the black piece or white, is facing out. And that's it so far. All right, so for the next piece, grab you a grease gun and lube up the sway bar that's about to go on through, and make sure you put a healthy amount in there and a healthy amount right there. And again, I didn't want to take off the tires, so I turned the steering wheel all the way in one direction, and I have the space to go right through. So yeah, that's the next piece. And I'll be using a rubber mallet to tap as it goes on through. I wish I had something to hold this camera, but I don't really do this YouTube thing all the time, so work with me. All right, I just wanted to show y'all. It was a pain, but right on through. Slide it all the way in, and then underneath, right here, right on through to the other side, where we will continue to tap to get it all in. And yeah, so here I go. All right, next piece with a tape measure. Make sure both sides are roughly the same. So just shy of 1 inch on that side, and on this side, if I can get it straight, just shy of 1 inch. So that's as good as I'm gonna get it. Up next, got to put on the arms. All right, so end result. This is what it should look like when it's all said and done. Outside, notice the gold bolts at the top, silver bolts at the bottom. I need to tighten that up. There, boom, and it'll be facing, it'll be up at an angle kind of, because you don't want it to be hitting your spring. And I put mine in the first bar, or the first loop, instead of the second, but as long as it's symmetrical on both sides, make sure that that's correct. And same thing on the other side. So right here, that's what it should look like. And mine, probably because I went with the JT Heavy. You see the L? It's got an L right there, that means passenger side, left side. And the bottom is gonna be this. And notice the shell, or the, you'll notice it in the package when you get it, but boom, thick sides facing the metal. On the same on the other side, thick side facing the metal. Right there on the washer. Washer right there with the provided nut. Washer right there. So I tried to find a video on YouTube that had it, but I couldn't find one that did. So here it is, end result. Relatively easy. And Jock had the nut facing up like this, so I followed their instructions. But yes, so that is the end result. Loctite on everything as well. Got to go buy some. But all in all, there you have it. And I was able to do it all with the tires still on the car. Just, again, I had to rotate all the way to the left. These are BFG KO2s. So there's 37s, but after, you know, time, they're probably like 36 now. I mean, they come at 36 and they're 35 and a half. I don't know, but teach their own. There we have it.